Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Ford Mustang. This is the 5-litre GT version on a 68 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a two-door vehicle with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those 4 tailpipes, we have reversing sensors, and given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle of the car though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around it. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre, you can see the total miles. They are 11,622. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear we are in. It's a manual gearbox, but it will show you every gear change you make from there. We have the coolant temperature gauge below that. Within the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer, and below that the fuel gauge for the car. You can change information that's displayed in this central section using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are just here. Below that we have our phone controls, we have some of the audio controls, nav, etc. on here. Over on the left-hand side, we have our stereo controls and our cruise control for the car. Into the centre, the main touchscreen, so you can access your home screen. And then from there, plenty of options, so you can pair your phone, of course. Just hit pair phone. Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found. Follow the instructions on screen from there. On the subject of phones, you will see here we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both available as well. Back to the home screen, you can access your audio options. So you can see AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio. We do have USB input as well, which will appear here if you plug in a USB device, of course. You can, in the bottom section here, turn on your heated driver steering wheel, of course, the only steering wheel in the car, but your heated steering wheel for the vehicle is turned on and off from there. It's either on or off, so of course denoted by the coloured dot that appears. So at the moment that is now turned off. We have the volume for our stereo just there. Beneath that we can adjust the driver temperature, the passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. All adjustments will show as you make them on the screen just there. That's now your air conditioning turned on. The same button, of course, will turn that off. And then you can turn on auto should you wish to. In doing so, the car will now take full control of the fan speed and of the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will immediately turn auto back off again. Below that, this is where we start and stop the engine. We have our hazard warning lights, traction control, driving setup. You can change the driving mode from there. We have a cigarette lighter, which can also be used as a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, which I mentioned just a moment ago, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, as well as 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here is the spare keys, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. We have got a service book. We've also got a list of the services the car has had, and you can see 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th service, most recently done in June this year. The car is actually booked in tomorrow at the time of recording this video, so the 26th of September, for another full service with our local Ford main dealer as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.